It is Jacob in on off for my Lab 5 final demo. So basically I defined the LD on to port B, find the LD off to port B as well. So then I made a void initial timer values function. This is where I set the timer mode to CTC, and then I set the first OCR to which is the OCR 0A to 0x9b. I got 0x9b because we have an 8-bit timer, which is 2 to the 8, which is 16, and then from the formula, um, since we gotta have 10 milliseconds, we times 256 times 10 milliseconds, and then we divide that by the 16, which will get 156. So the OCR value is 156 minus 1, which is 155, and that's how I got 0x9b. And then I have another OCR 0b register to 0, and then have the pin 5 to the input, and then set the LD as the output. So if you go to the main function, I call the initial timer value just so everything can be initiated, and then it will go through a while statement, and then it will check if the OCR 0b is greater than 0, and then if it's greater than 0, it will turn on, and then it will go through another while loop to wait for the OCR OB to overflow, and then this will reset the timer interrupt flag overflow. And then it will go to the LED off, which turns off the LED. It goes through another while loop, and then waits for it to overflow, and then resets the interrupt flag back to 0. Once that goes through, it will go through an if else statement where to make sure if the button is being pressed, to check if the button is being pressed. So since the OCR 0B is less than the OCR 0A, it will check that if it's less than the OCR 0A, it will increment, which will increase the brightness. And then it will go through an else statement. If it's greater than 0, then it will decrease the brightness. So then when I run through the code, zero warnings. Good. I start dimming down. Yep. Thank you.